So you're gonna unbox the...
We're gonna unbox this cooking thing because you could cook.
Can cook in there?
We can cook toys on it.
Yeah, you can cook egg in there, you know?
Yeah. It might never egg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, unbox it then. Maybe you need help. Ask your brother.
I'm Scissor Man.
Here, from here, Ainsley.
Huh?
Here. From here. Let your brother cut it for you, please.
She's ripping. She's a savage.
You can pull it here, from there. Pull it.
This is what's inside the picture. Oh, sorry, major issues here. And we got some. Like a thing.
You can just pull it from there. Oh, wait, please. There, oh, pull it. So that's it.
Daddy, please.
So we have this. We have the lid for this big pot.
That's nice, man. You can cook soup in there.
I play Fortnite.
Oh, that's an apron. I know. Pot holder.
So it's a big apron. It's not a big apron.
It's a pot holder, man.
It's a butt holder. It's a butt holder. I'm just joking. So this is a pot holder. This is how you hold the pot. So what you do is this is what you do.
Moving one side. Moving it. Thank you.
So we have another lid here. Either add it there or here.
You help. Lala.
Or you double or something. No. Okay. Got another lid.
Oh, that's nice. It's like real cooking
So
pot.
it's better like that. This is better like this.
And you got this one as well. It's all stainless.
Just
have
scoop up
to
some food. Just the food.
Just
Liquid
like
goes out.
so, guys. I got 2 presents. But
And there's the other lid. And there's the other thing. There's a
sometimes in
spatula.
town, he's really giving me
There's still one more thing here.
presents.
I forgot about this thing. Okay, why is it really hard to take this thing out?
Stop banging them.
Give it to your dad. I'm just gonna do it for you. There, oh. She's having trouble taking that off.
Hey,
Guys, we got drumsticks.
no, stop. Guys,
gonna cry.
You like it, Ainsley?
yeah.
It's like a real one, you know. You can cook egg. You can cook egg in there. You can cook tomato. You can cook potato. Would you like to get your...
This is number 4 because it's gonna be hot.
Yeah?
Yeah, it might be hot.
So are you happy with your kitchen set?
Yeah. So this is how I do it. When you twist it around, voila. So if you put this, if you open this, you can make. Can you give me your food?
Anong could you give me the food? Anong food? Biscuit? No, not now, ah. Naluto na garod. Why you wanna put food there?
It's the toy.
Oh,
So
okay.
you can turn on this.
And Yeah?
What? If I zip this, it's gonna be thing.
So what are you gonna cook there?
Shall I get one out, guys? Corn, got
So what are you doing now, Ainsley?
I'm gonna cook egg right now.
That's egg.
It's coming inside, but it's a little bit.
Yeah? And what else are you going to cook?
You can put egg right, hold it.
Oh, that's nice. I like it too. I can cook that.
But it's golden.
What's golden?
Golden means from coloring.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Silver punam.
Like this is silver because I love.
Stainless.
This is the plates we got before.
Yeah.
So
So that's what in the kitchen set.
and then you can put this.
Ainsley,
Yeah.
you wanna say bye-bye now?
Bye.
Have a great time.
I'm gonna
Subscribe.
cook, mommy.
Subscribe. Like.
And bye.
Notification.
Bye.